Then, ang date sa onto is May 23, 2024. Date transplanted po is June 10, 2024. Para po sa fertilizer applied, basal application po is nung June 17, 2024, which is 1 kilogram ng 4600, then 1 kilogram din po ng triple 14. Para po sa first application nung June 24 naman po, 2024, ganoon din po, 1 kilogram din ng 4600, tsaka triple 14 po na 1 kilogram. Para sa agronomic data naman po, ang age of rice plant is 37 days after sowing, then stage of crop, mid-tillering to FE, then average plant height, 55 cm, then average number of tillers, 28, then average number of leaves, 4, then leaf color index is 5, then water depth is 4 cm. Para po sa insects tsaka kung namin i-discuss po ni Ate Jane. So sa insect test po namin, ang observe po namin is 2 skipper lang po. Then sa natural enemies, nadagdagan po ng 5 damsel fly, then 1 dragonfly, then lady beetle na isa, then 2 longhorn grasshopper.
Sa observation naman po, rare presence of weeds, then yung recommendation is weeding. Water depth niya is 4 cm. Recommendation is maintain natin kasi yung ano naman natin, normal na water level natin dapat is 3 to 5 cm. Then yung presence of kohol egg mass, recommendation is pick and crush. LCI number 5, maintain lang natin or tuloy-tuloy lang natin yung pag-monitor. Then presence of weeds in the GNT tilapia.